In this short video tutorial, we will start discussing about the tags that we write in the body section of the web page. Up till now, we have covered the tags which are written in the head section of the web page, in which we covered the title tag, the meta, the link, and the script tags. And we also discussed how to add comments to the HTML of your web page. Starting with this tutorial, we will start focusing on the tags that we write in the body section of the web page. I'm using the same source code which we wrote in the previous tutorials. So let me start by deleting this hello world string that we wrote. Now, the tags that we use in the body section of the web page, they can majorly be divided into three categories. So let me write the comments and mention the categories. So the first category is the container tags. Now the container tags are used to create the layout of the web page. And once we create the layout, then we will be adding the content inside that layout. Now let me draw and explain what we mean by the layout. Suppose you want your web page to have a two column layout. So suppose you want to have a header, a head section, and below you want it to be divided into the left and the right section. So this will be the head section. So this will be the left section. This will be the right section. So if you want to create this kind of a layout, so for this you will have to use the container tags. Suppose you want to have a three column layout for your website. So mostly either websites they have a two column layout or they have a three column layout. So suppose you want to have a three column layout. Roughly, Facebook has this kind of a layout in which there are three columns and there is a header section. So this is the head section, this is the left, this is the main content section, and then this is the right section. So if you want to create this kind of a layout, so for this you will have to use the container tags. There are three main container tags that we use, and we will be discussing them in separate video tutorials. So those are they are the div tag, the table tag, and the span tag. Now, the second type of tags that we write in the body section are the content tags. So by the content tags, we mean those tags using which we add content to the web page. So these are the heading tags, the paragraph tags, the list tag, the image, the link. So all these tags, they are they belong to the content category. So they are used to add content to the web page. The third type of tags that we write in the body section are form tags. So these are the tags that are used to create a form which has text boxes, radio buttons, check boxes, normal buttons. So it is these tags are used to create a form using which the user can fill some information into the web page. So these are the three categories of tags that we have in the body section. So we will start with first discussing the container tags, which are the div, the table, and the span tag. So starting with the next tutorial, we'll start focusing on the div tag. So with this, I hope you have understood about the different categories of tags that we have in the body section. So with this, we will end our short tutorial here. To access our complete web development course, please visit openeschool.com/webdevelopment. Also, please subscribe to our channel to get regular updates. Thank you.